Hi guys, it's Rachel here and I'm back again to show you what else I've done in my Flower Magic Art Fest journal. I forgot to show you in the last video that this is the wool that I used to do this embroidery. It's kind of just like a regular knitting wool or a sock wool. I think it might be a 4-ply. I'm not quite sure, but because I'm not an expert in wools, but it's very nice and soft and lovely to stitch with. So I showed you last time what I had done here, and I made one of Francisca's envelopes. This is preparing for the Flower Magic Art Fest, which starts on the 5th of August. The early bird price is still available until the 4th, including the 4th. So that's the last day of the early bird special price, and then it goes up. You have lifetime access, as you've heard me say before, and I forgot to have a look. I forgot to take note of whose video I watched. I'm not sure about pronouncing her last name, Michelle Scratz. I'll link her Instagram in the description box. She did a beautiful mood board. So I just grabbed a few things that I liked and did my mood board, which I really had a lot of fun with. I did some stitching on there at the top and bottom. I did some stitching on the postcard. I felt like it was fitting to have an old image of the Colosseo, and I love postcards that are in black and white or sepia and have the lovely script on the front, and it's all about flowers. So I did a little bit of doodling there and added the embroidered piece, and then this printed floral image here. And I use some of my this was a jelly print that I did when I first tried that, and that was just a painted page, and there I think I stamped that with some sort of cardboard interior, like of a not a washi tape, but you know, like a thread, like if a jute cord I think I'd run out, and then I kept the tube inside and stamped on there. And what I did was I took my jelly printed page and I folded it over and then glued it on to this page that was just a scripty page. And I just added bits and pieces of fabric as well, because you know I love my fabric, and I love the stitching on the reverse side on this lovely floral page. So that's really fun. I really like that. I'm leaving my little towels long just in case, because it is a wool, so it's a tapestry wool that I use. So I didn't put any glue. I did knot it a few times, but you know, just in case it comes undone. So I've done my mood board, and so there are some fun things to do already in the class, and it starts on the 5th. So just to keep you posted of what I've done, I'm going to be going back in there to see if there's anything else. And I added that little, that's from a book from the 1600s. The ones that I have, look, they look like I don't know if you can see that, they've got little bullet holes in them. They were attacked by worms at some stage, so they were quite damaged, so I tore them up. Here's a beautiful 1700s book that's been damaged by bookworm, but I can't throw that paper out. I just love it. So yeah, I had to stick that there, and I put an F for flower, for flowers. And then in the back I just put in a few little bits and pieces in the glorious pocket. I love that pocket, how that turned out. And I've just got some little fabric bits and painted bits of paper just in case I want to use them. So there we go. I hope you're all getting ready and excited as I am. And I wanted to also mention that Francisca has released another video. She did release it a few days ago, and it gives a little interlude into what I'll be doing in my lessons, and she's preparing herself for it, which I thought was a lot of fun. So go and check that video out as well. So thank you so much for watching. The links will be in the description box, and I will see you again soon. Bye.